Hello, this is Noble. Thanks so much for such an insightful talk. Uh, you know, this is a general machine learning related question, but going off of that theme of fairness bias that was asked earlier, there's a tension in sort of enterprise context or sort of real world context. There's a tension between accuracy and fairness or bias, right? When practitioners try to apply these concepts in the real world. So for example, when you constrain optimization for fairness or bias, you sacrifice performance or accuracy. What's your thinking behind these trade-offs, and how what's your sort of guidance there or counsel there?
I don't think that's necessarily a trade-off, right? So I mentioned there are cases where yes, there are trade-offs. If you increase one thing, you decrease another. I think for a lot of these fairness issues, I think of the trade-off more of in development time rather than in accuracy. And there's no reason you can't improve everywhere, but you got to just make these choices of who counts. Who am I going to spend the engineering effort to try to improve the experience for? And it's definitely true in machine learning, but I think it's always been true. So anytime we make product decisions, before there was machine learning, before there were computers, we're always including somebody and excluding somebody, right? So, I sell a product, a toaster, and it comes with an instruction manual. If the instruction manual is only in English, then I've left some people out. Now, I get feedbacks from my customers, and I say, okay, I'm also going to make the instructions in Spanish. Now I'm included one more group, but there's still other groups that are left out. And every time I make that decision, so it's not really a trade-off of accuracy for fairness. It's more, is it worth the time and effort to go and get that Spanish translation? And is it worth it to then do the third and fourth and fifth language? And I think that's what enterprises have to focus on. And I think they'll see a reward from treating all their customers fairly. They'll gain new customers, and they'll gain respect from the existing customers to saying, yeah, I like that you're sticking up for fairness and that you're supporting everybody.